In a pan, add 3 tablespoon oil. One teaspoon of mustard seed. Wait for it to splutter. Add hing, or a saffotida. Add finely chopped onions. Saute till golden brown. Add ginger garlic paste. Saute till raw smell goes away. Lower heat, then add the Achari masala. Check description for the masala. Saute till 1 to 2 minutes until aroma comes out of the spices. Pour capsicum and the tomato puree, check description. Saute until moisture evaporates. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt and sugar as per your taste. Saute until mixture leaves the pan. Do not cook on high flame. Add 1/3 cup of curd and mix well. At last, add paneer to the gravy. Do not overcook as it will make the paneer hard. And add coriander leaves. You can also add some lemon juice to make the dish more tangy. This brings us to the end of this recipe. Please leave a like, share it with your loved ones, subscribe to my channel and click the bell for post notifications. See you in the next video with another amazing recipe. Till then, stay safe and goodbye.